Welcome to DPSmart. DPSmart stands for Data Privacy Smart. Our solution helps you prepare and monitor your data privacy compliance activities. All of the requirements set forth by the Implementing Rules and Regulations of Republic Act 10173, otherwise known as the Data Privacy Act of 2012, has been translated into this automated system to ensure that your organization adheres to the principles of transparency, legitimate purpose, and proportionality. We will be showing you a demonstration on how to prepare for your data privacy compliance journey. First activity would be your data flow documentation under the Execution menu and Compliance Activities submenu. This section of DPSmart is used to document the flow of your organization and your data subjects' personal information under the guidelines and template set by the National Privacy Commission. This is a questionnaire-type documentation of the process of collection, use, storage, transfer, and disposal of personal information. The basis of data to be documented in the narrative are the various forms and documents which pass through your different departments or business units. Let's try creating one record for the HR department. Let us have the recruitment team's process of routing of a job applicant's curriculum vitae as an example. First is to click Create. Add a line and type in Recruitment as the department activity name. Click Proceed. Click Collection. On this section, we will see the Guide for Questions and the Actual Questions and the Answer text box below. Proceed inputting your answers. Make sure to answer all the other questions. Click Save and Close. You will see here the record we did for the recruitment activity. Click Save. The user details of the preparer of this documentation will be automatically filled in based on the credentials provided to the user. Creation time and date of the record will also be automatically captured. System logs or any change to this record will also be captured here at the lower portion of the screen. This record can now also be submitted to the preparer's department head for initial review. Final review of this record would be the organization's data protection officer. Second activity would be the compliance with data privacy principles under the Privacy Impact Analysis pillar. The assessment section is composed of questions pertaining to the data privacy principles of transparency, legitimate purpose, proportionality, collection, and disclosure. Upon clicking one section, the assessment questions that the assessor would need to answer will pop up, and is only answerable by yes or no. Remarks may also be provided for each line item. Same workflow as our first model, we have Review button on top of this window and can be routed for the assessor or preparer's department head and DPO for initial and final reviews, respectively. Third activity would be the answering of the DPA checklist. Click Create to start the assessment. Again, this part will be automatically updated once we save his record. Click Proceed. Next, you will see the 6 pillars of compliance that the National Privacy Commission has enumerated to be the minimum requirements that should be present in the company. This is also a yes or no questionnaire, And once you have ticked No in this assessment, it will automatically form part of your company's list of findings that would need to be remediated by the respective department. We have also made available a library of the specific requirements and things needed to do to be compliant with the law, associated risk, and recommendations to mitigate the deficiency. Log notes and email facilities can also be found on this page, so that remediation of findings may be tracked on a real-time basis. Fourth and last activity we have is the privacy risk assessment per department. Once you click Create, assessment guidelines are already available on this section, and the assessor would just need to add a line and input the specific threat and vulnerability, which is improper disposal of hard copy resumes. Let's say impact is limited, and probability of risk to happen is likely. Risk rating will automatically compute as 6, which is equivalent to medium risk. In most cases, anything that falls into medium and high risk would need to be monitored and remediated. Your DPO can again use our findings and recommendations model by just creating a record, type in the specific finding observed, and fill in the other text boxes. Click Save, and this will form part of the items that can be monitored for remediation. That is the end of our demo. If you loved our DPSmart solution, or if you have other requirements that were not shown in this demo, you may contact us at info@auditsap.com, and we'll be happy to know your requirements. Start your data privacy compliance journey now. To see more of our other solutions, kindly visit our website at auditsap.com. Thank you.